I'm gonna show you how to install the courtesy light on a Mercedes. This is my daughter's Mercedes. It's a C250. It's really simple to do, but it don't come with instructions. I installed this. I thought it was real cool. Look at this. I mean, for the price, I think it came from China, and my daughter's always on Amazon buying little things like that. But I thought it was pretty neat. And it comes two in a package. If you want to purchase one of these, just look in the descriptions below. As you can see, that's pretty neat. I'm gonna back and just let you have a view, and it'll look really neat if the door is all the way open. I mean, you can see the Mercedes is spelled out really neat, the symbol. It's kind of unbelievable for the price. Yeah. So I'm gonna zoom in. You see I'm back, and this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty awesome. So on these lights, I noticed that they stay on between 1 minute and 2 minutes, and it'll automatically go off. It have a button on it that you can shut it off also. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the doors, and once I close the door, it goes off. It automatically goes off, and I'm gonna show you how. If you've seen the video I did the other day unboxing this thing, you would understand what's going on right there. So here go what the box look like. It says made in China. And the instructions is on the back of this box. So it comes with two of these projectors, a cleaning pad, also some double-sided tape. So first what you want to do is take your alcohol wipes. And you want to clean the spot. I'm going to show you where I'm going to put my daughter's at. I'm going to clean that right there just to get it to stick better. And I'm going to put hers right in front of this light. Once you do, just peel that and you put it here on the back side. Just line it up the best you can. And this stuff is really sticky. And if you want to, you can get some double-sided tape. And also right there, you see that little piece that came out? That's for the magnet. If you've seen the previous video I made, the magnet is to turn the thing on and off. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on the little magnet that I'm gonna put on the door base. Okay, I'm gonna peel this double-sided piece off, and I'm gonna just stick it in place where I want it. And I'm not gonna press it on there real hard in case I need to move it. Just put it on there and press it a couple of times, that's it. And just in case I need to take it off. And then the next thing what you want to do is get inside your car and you pull the door closed to see where you need to put your magnet. You see how I'm pulling it close, and my magnet's going to go right there. So once that it gets in contact with the magnet, the light will go off. Once it loses contact, it will come back on. So I'm gonna put that, like I said, I'm not gonna press it hard. I'm gonna just put it on there just for a little bit to see where I need, cause I may need to make adjustments. Okay, I'm closing the door. See how it got in contact or close to the magnet? Once it gets close to the magnet, it goes off. Once it gets away for a certain distance, it's gonna come on, you see that? So I see I need to adjust that just a little bit, so I'm gonna just pull it up. And just pull it forward a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna close it again. You see, it went out when it came close to that magnet. Now I'm gonna close it all the way. Oh, okay, you see that? It came back on. That means my magnet needs to come back toward me a little bit. So I'm gonna open the door and I'm gonna put my finger down and I'm gonna just move the magnet forward. You see how I moved it forward right there? And this stuff don't stick too well here on the floor base. So you may have to get something else or buy some more type of tape or whatever. So we're gonna try it now. You see that? That's how it's supposed to work. So that's all to it, really. It ain't nothing to this. I know that magnet piece at the bottom probably going to end up coming off or something, so I'm going to have to get some kind of better tape. So if you, and that's on the driver's side, and do the passenger side, it's the same way. You just follow the same instructions. It's nothing to it. And if you would like to purchase one of these, just look in the description below or look in the drop down in the top right. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.